Makes driving safe, smart and easy. Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Auto-Vox solar wireless backup dual camera for RVs, trucks, campers, SUVs, trailers with 1080p monitor. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. It comes with a portable hard case that keeps all the components organized and ready to use. I like it. 18 months extended warranty, the manual. So many accessories, just love that. Two cables type A to type C with a length 1 meter, thick cable. You can use these cables to charge the cameras. We have two angle iron brackets. You can use these screws if you want to mount the cameras with these brackets. And we have another two flat iron seats. Strong magnet at the camera. Soft elements at the back. Wow, that is very strong. So in the area where you want to install this camera, if there is no metal, you can mount these brackets. Wow, that is very strong. I can remove it. Wow. You can mount these brackets with the screws and then attach the camera. Thanks to powerful N52 magnets, you can snap on the camera in just 1 minute. No drilling or wiring required. Enjoy effortless installation and easy switching between vehicles. Just love it. Or if you want, you can use this angle. Wow. Again, it's very strong. The camera, adjustable. Find the right position after installation. Auto-Vox. The HD 1080p lens provides clear images during the day and at the night. And thanks to its double IR night vision, you can drive confidently even in complete darkness. This camera features the highest level of IP69K waterproof design, ensuring protection even in heavy rain while traveling. I like that. Here we have the photocell switch. You can connect the Type-C cable here and charge the cameras. Nice. The power button here at the base. Thanks to Auto-Vox smart power saving technology, it has 150-day battery life. Its battery capacity is 5000 mAh. Together with a solar panel, you have unlimited power during the day. And of course we have the dual view option with the second camera. Here we can connect the antenna. Adjustable antenna. Same and for the second. We can use the second cable to charge the other camera. Same specs, of course, it is a dual camera. Moving on next at the 7.2-inch HD widescreen for clear full view monitoring. We have the cable. Here you can connect the two antennas. The dual antenna signal delivers a stable wireless signal of up to 150 meters, even for large vehicles. Here we have three buttons: menu, confirm return button, forward button and back button. Here at the bottom you can never miss a moment with one touch DVR loop recording and support for a 32GB card for continuous recording. There's the card. Very easy to install and remove. And at the back here we can connect this bracket. You have in this double tape adhesive and you can mount it anywhere at your vehicle. Flexible, I like that. How cool is that? Nice. So you can mount it that. Press and it locks. You can make some adjustments, left and right, up and down. So you can have it just like that at your vehicle. And then tie this screw. Nice. And of course we have in this cable. You can use the car charger with a 3.5 meters of length, the cable. I like that. You can connect it on a 12 or 24 volt vehicle with an output 5 volt 3 amp max. One USB output, and we have in the power button to turn on or off the monitor, so you don't need to unplug from the car. Nice. And you can charge of course in the cameras. Some screws here and with an Allen key. Connect the monitor at this cable, at the power adapter. Red LED, it is on. I will connect one camera here, charging, and the other one. We can see this camera is charging with a solar panel. My studio lights are very strong. And now I have connected to charge from the power adapter. Already connected both cameras. I like that. Channel 1 and channel 2. Recording, the micro SD, the battery capacity for each camera. Here we have the date and the hour. You can see everything very clear. Now if your cameras are not connected with this monitor, go at the setting with the M button, pair, and you can pair the first or the second camera. Press and hold the M button, exit. Moving at the brightness, you can adjust the brightness of this monitor. Nice. MU control, mirror normal, cam 1 or cam 2, mirror or normal. You can change. Press and hold, back, MU control, upside and down, cam 1 or cam 2, cam 1, down or upside, down. Let's change N for the second camera. There it is. Nice. Press and hold, exit. Settings again. Record, on or off. You can choose on. Override, on or off, on. Format. Yes, you can format the micro SD card. Setting. Date and time, you can adjust. Already it is correct. Contrast, cam 2 or cam 1, cam 1. Nice. The same and for the cam 2, you can reset, contact support, display sleep, you can choose 120 or 240 seconds or never, 240. Guideline for cam 1 or cam 2, you can switch off or on. And of course, playback. Later I will show you some footage. And with the down button, you can choose only the first camera. We can see in the guideline, red, yellow and green. Or you can choose the second camera. Or again, both cameras. I like it. So easy to navigate. Now let's install the cameras at my car with a monitor and test the video quality at the day and at the night. Playback, and here we have all the folders. And all the footage, AVI files to choose, front camera, and you can watch the footage. We have the date and the time, so that's how you know which is the footage. Crystal clear. Press and hold the M button goes back, and you can choose the rear camera. Front camera, it is the first, and the rear camera, it is the second. Crystal clear 1080p. For the sheer convenience of a completely solar-powered wireless system, the Auto-Vox camera is a game changer. The dual cameras are incredibly useful for both reverse parking and keeping an eye on traffic or a trailer while driving. It's a fantastic, hassle-free way to add a crucial safety feature to any vehicle. It's a great example of smart tech that just works and a valuable upgrade for any driver. And that brings us to the end of our hands-on review of the Auto-Vox Solar Wireless Backup Dual Camera. I truly hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of its features, its ease of use, and whether it's the right solution to make your driving and parking safer and simpler. If you found this video helpful or simply appreciate seeing innovative safety tech, please give it a big thumbs up. It genuinely supports the channel and helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech reviews, car accessory showcases and gadget deep dives. You can also find links to the Auto-Vox solar camera in the description box below. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other car tech reviews right here. Thanks so much for tuning in everyone, stay safe on the road, and I'll catch you in the next one.